Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL TabMax, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom, to the last section, and find digital well-being and parental controls. Now let's tap on show your data. And as you can see, here we've been transferred directly to this graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. And as you can see, I've been using it for 52 minutes. Most of the time I've spent on the settings. And here we've got also the unlocks and notifications count. So if you'd like to check some further details, you've got two different options, two different ways to do that. So the first one is tapping directly inside of the graph, and we will be transferred to a dashboard, which will show us for how long we've been using, or we've been on the screen in particular days. So Friday, so today I had 53 minutes, and on Thursday I had only 8 minutes. So as you can see, you can compare it. Here you've got the screen time. You can change it to the notifications received and times opened, and under it you've got also all apps listed and for how long you've been using it. And the second way to check the details is to simply tap on particular app. So for example, the settings, and as you can see, again we've got the dashboard here, but right now it is tightly connected with this particular app. So we can check the time for the settings in Friday, in Thursday. We can change the screen time also to the notifications received and times opened, and here we've got an additional option, so from daily to hourly, just like that. And as you can see, the graph is slightly different. So let's go back, and here basically this is how to check the screen timeout, but I wanted to show you the ways to disconnect, as they can be useful, a useful feature for you. So here we've got the dashboard, bedtime mode and focus mode. It doesn't really matter, but all of them will be useful if you need the time for yourself, you need to rest, you just want to work, or just want to sleep, or whatever. So for example, the focus mode, just tap on it, and as you can see here, you've got the list of all apps, and you will be able to pick some distracting ones. So let's pretend that I receive most notifications from the Chrome. Just mark it, and as you can see, it will immediately appear in this section. You will be able to set a schedule, so you can pick particular days and particular times of the day. And after turning on the schedule, your device will simply limit the notifications from distracting apps, which means that you will be able to rest because you will not be disturbed. So actually, this is it. This is how to check the total screen time in your TCL TabMax. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.